In an age where traditional security measures are increasingly deemed insufficient, some millionaires are turning to an unconventional solution: shark-infested moats. This audacious trend raises intriguing questions about personal security, environmental impact, and public perception. In this video, we'll explore the motivations behind these lavish installations, delve into the costs and legal implications, and examine how historical inspirations play a role. Join us as we uncover the future of home security and why the wealthy are willing to take the plunge into such extraordinary waters. 1. Security beyond the norm. In an age where security systems are as common as front doors, some millionaires are looking for more unique ways to protect their homes. Enter the shark-infested moat. This isn't a scene from a James Bond movie, it's a real-life trend among the ultra-wealthy. For these individuals, traditional security systems like surveillance cameras and alarms are simply not enough. They want something that screams exclusivity and adds an element of danger. The idea is simple. If intruders are deterred by the risk of being caught, imagine their hesitation when faced with a moat filled with sharks. 2. The appeal of the unconventional. Why choose sharks? The answer lies in the allure of the unconventional. Millionaires are often trendsetters. They don't just follow what others do. Installing a shark-infested moat is a way to showcase creativity and uniqueness. It's not just about security, it's about making a statement. Sharks, with their predatory nature, symbolize power and control, qualities that resonate with the wealthy. This isn't just a moat, it's a personal fortress that speaks volumes about the owner's status and imagination. 3. Cost considerations. The cost of installing a shark-infested moat is significant. We're not just talking about the price of the sharks, which can be expensive in themselves. The moat needs to be designed and constructed to accommodate the sharks safely. This involves specialized engineering to ensure the water quality and temperature are ideal for the species chosen. Maintenance is ongoing and costly, requiring experts to look after the health of the sharks and the condition of the moat. For millionaires, however, the cost is often viewed as an investment in their privacy and security. 4. Environmental concerns. While the idea of a shark-infested moat sounds thrilling, it does raise environmental concerns. Sharks are wild animals that belong in the ocean, not in a confined moat. There are ethical implications regarding their well-being and stress levels in such a small habitat. Moreover, maintaining the right conditions for sharks can be resource-intensive, potentially impacting local ecosystems. This has led to criticism from environmentalists who argue that this trend is more about luxury than responsibility. 5. Legal implications. Installing a shark-infested moat isn't just about digging a trench and filling it with water. There are legal hurdles to overcome. In many regions, owning exotic animals like sharks requires special permits and adherence to strict regulations. These laws are in place to ensure the safety of both the animals and humans. Owners must prove they can provide adequate care and meet all legal requirements. Failure to comply can result in hefty fines or even the removal of the sharks. 6. Historical inspiration. The concept of a moat isn't new. Historically, moats were used as defensive features around castles, deterring enemies with their daunting presence. For modern millionaires, the shark-infested moat taps into this historical precedent, adding a modern twist. It's a nod to the past while embracing contemporary tastes for extravagance. The moat becomes a symbol of both tradition and innovation, echoing the strategic defenses of medieval times with a touch of modern opulence. 7. Public perception. Public reaction to shark-infested moats is mixed. Some see it as an extravagant display of wealth, bordering on the absurd. Others admire the originality and the audaciousness of such a security measure. It sparks curiosity and conversation, often drawing media attention. For the owners, this attention is part of the allure, as it not only showcases their wealth but also their willingness to push boundaries. However, the debate over its ethical and environmental implications continues to rage. 8. Technological integration. For those intrigued by technology, integrating tech with a shark-infested moat is an exciting prospect. Some millionaires are combining this old-world defense with state-of-the-art technology. This includes underwater cameras that provide live feeds of the moat, allowing owners to monitor their property remotely. Additionally, sensors can detect movement in the water, alerting homeowners to potential intruders. This synergy of nature and technology provides a comprehensive security solution, appealing to tech-savvy individuals. 9. The future of home security. The shark-infested moat might seem like a niche market, but it represents a broader trend in home security. As technology advances and the wealthy seek greater privacy, the boundaries of traditional security measures are being pushed. This trend showcases the lengths to which some will go to protect their homes and make a statement. It raises questions about what the future holds for home security and how far people are willing to go in the name of safety and exclusivity. 10. Conclusion. In conclusion, shark-infested moats are a fascinating blend of security, luxury, and spectacle. They highlight the lengths to which some millionaires will go to protect their privacy while making a bold statement. Despite the costs, legalities, and environmental concerns, the allure of such an extravagant feature remains strong. As long as there are those who seek to stand out, there will be innovations like the shark-infested moat, challenging norms and redefining what it means to be secure.